Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. I am Binak Panda going to solve CPET Chemistry question 2020. In this session, I will solve 35 questions out of 70, and in the next session, that is in part 2 video, I will solve the next 35 questions. So let's start. So the first question is, which one of the following compound gives a primary alcohol upon reaction with methyl magnesium bromide? And your answer is A. Next question, which one of the following statement is correct for alkyl halide? And your right answer is option D, that is E1 mechanism is favored over SN1 mechanism for tertiary alkyl halides. Then next, come to the question number 3. Aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to alkyl halides. This is due to your option D is your right answer, that is sp2 hybridized carbon attached to the halogen. Then comes to the number 4. Identify the reactant X in the following reaction sequence, and here the X will be aniline. When it reacts with Br to an H2O, the Y is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and when it's react with NaNO to NaCl, the Z is BDC, that is benzene diazoinium chloride, as we all know. And when it reacts with C2H5OH, it gives 2,4,6 tribromobenzene. Next, come to the question number 5. Which one of the following structure represents the major products in the following reaction? And this is a very interesting and important question, as I see that many of the students have marked the option A as their correct answer, but the right answer is option D. It is because when in HBr, when H is abstracted by the OH, it forms a carbocation here, and this carbocation is migrate to the CH3 molecule and form a tertiary carbocation ion, which is a stable one, and then the Br minus ion is attacked to this position and form the two major products as given in the option D. Next, come to the question number 6. If 2-methyl butane will be subjected to monobromination, then how many isomers will it form? The answer is A, option A, that is 4 isomers, and that isomers are 1-bromo-2-methyl-butane, 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane, 2-bromo-3-methyl-butane, 1-bromo-3-methyl-butane. Okay, so next question is, calculate the lambda max value for the following compound using Woodward and Fischer rules, and the answer is 279 nanometer. Number 8. Which one of the following compounds with molecular formula C4H9NO2 shows H NMR peaks at delta 5.30 broad H1, 4.10 quadrate 2H, 2.80 doublet 3H, and 1.20 triplet 3H ppm? And your correct answer is option C. Number 9. The sodium extract of an organic compound develops a blood red color on treatment with FeCl3 solution. The ion responsible for this color test is NCS-. Option B is the right answer. This reaction is performed in Lesson's test, and in this test we determine or we detect the element detect of nitrogen and sulfur. Then number 10. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the following reaction? And the right answer is option D. Major product is exocyclic alkene formed according to Hofmann. Number 11. Suggest the product of the following reaction, and the answer is option B. Number 12. Which one of the following reaction is not an example of E1CV reaction? E1CV reaction, which one is not an example? And your answer is option D. As we know, in E1CV mechanism, which is occur under basic condition where the hydrogen to be removed is relatively acidic, while the leaving group such as OH or OR is relatively poor one. In option D, the Cl is the leaving group which is not a poor one as compared to option A, B, C where the leaving group are OH. Number 13. What is the correct statement for the given reactions? Your answer is option A, that is B reacts faster than A, because in the B section the two substituents are in same plane, but in A section the two substituents are in opposite plane. Hence the answer is A, option A. 14. Which is the correct order of nucleophilicity in the following options? That is option C, CH3S minus is greater than CH3SH. Then come to the question number 15. Which one of the following statement is true about the reaction given below? And your answer is A, that is it proceeds via a concerted SN2 pathway. Then comes to the question number 16. Which one of the following substituent on benzene ring is not a metadirectic group in an electrophilic substitution reaction? And your answer is C. That is a very easy question, because we know that bromine is the orthopara directive group, whereas the CF3NO2 NH3 plus are metadirective group, as these three are electron withdrawing group. Then comes to the question number 17. Which one of the following alkenes exhibits optical activity? And your answer is D. Question number 18. What will be the most appropriate reagent for the following transformation? And here the answer is B. That is methylene triphenyl phosphorant, which is also known as Wittig reagent, which is a highly polar, highly basic in nature, and this is a suitable reagent for this reaction. Then come to the question number 19. Which one of the following carbocations is the most stable? It is also a very interesting and very easy question. The answer is option D, because the presence of the double bond in this option D, particular option D, enhance the stability of the carbocation by the resonance. Then number 20. Name the process associated with acylation of benzene. It is a +2 based question and a very chocolate question, and your answer will be option A, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then question 21. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? All the A, B and D are correct, but option C is incorrect, which is your answer. That is the photochemical reaction are caused by absorption of UV light only. This is the incorrect statement. The correct statement is the photochemical reaction are caused by absorption of solar radiation, and the UV and the visible radiation are comes under the solar radiation, and UV and visible radiations are short wavelength. So photochemical reaction are caused by absorption of solar radiation, not by the UV light only. Then comes to the next question 22. Arrange the following intermediates in the descending order of their stabilities, and your answer is D. It is second is then most stable, then first, then third, then fourth. It is because the NH2 group is the more strong. It is the strong electron donating group as compared to OH, as compared to CH3, then Cl. So your answer is option D. Then question number 23. The IUPAC name of the following compound is? It is also a very easy question. Your answer is C. That is 3-bromo 4-chlorohept 6-en 1-yne. Then question 24. Which type of macromolecule carries out catalysis in biological system? Your answer is A. That is proteins, because the catalysis in biological system is carried out generally by enzymes, and the enzymes are generally proteins. Then 25. A nucleotide is constituted from which of the following units? It is also a very easy question. The answer is option B, that is nitrogen base, sugar and a phosphate. Then question 26. The change in free energy of a reaction at equilibrium is 0. It is also a very easy question. It is a +2 based question. 27 number. If doubling the initial concentration of a reactant doubles the half-life period, that is T half, of the reaction, then the order of the reaction is zero order. That is the right answer, and the option is D. 28. If psi is the wave function, then what is the probability of finding an electron in a given region with the atom? And your answer is C, that is psi squared. It is also a very easy question. Then 29. 1 coulomb is the charge of, your answer is B, that is 1 by 96500 mole of electron. Then question 30. The pressure correction in the van der Waals equation is due to, it is also a very easy question, that is attractive force of the molecules towards the boundary wall. Then 31. The relationship between the Cp and Cv for n mole of ideal gas is a plus 2 based question, and your answer is option B, Cp is equal to Cv plus Nr. Okay, this is also a very chocolate question. Number 32. The relationship between the contact angle and the wettability of a liquid is inversely proportional to each other. That is your answer is option B. And 33. What will be the amount of work done if 10 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas at 10 atmospheric pressure and 27 degree temperature is allowed to expand isothermally against a constant pressure of 1 atmosphere? And your answer is option A, that is minus 5.36 kilocalorie. Then question 34. Which of the following is not applicable to the adsorption phenomena? All the option A, B and D are applicable to the adsorption phenomena, but option C, Henderson equation, is not applicable to the adsorption phenomena. So your right answer is option C. Then come to the last question of this session, that is 35. Which one of the following terms is not associated with the phase rule? Triple point, eutectic point and critical point all are associated with the phase rule, but the plate point is not associated with the phase rule. So thank you all for the part 2 video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.